guys, I am gonna do another video on this again. As you can see, we have our first lineup of cars. Ooh, we get options. I did nothing. Okay, first you have light, then you have trunk 2. Utility goes into the back. Roll bar, I'm assuming would turn that off. That's a snorkel, that's snorkel 2. I like the first snorkel. Spare wheel, utility. Oh, and I can have the roll bar. Nice, this thing's all kitted out now. Wow, this thing has a lot of smoke coming out the back. Does not have a lot of mileage. When I say mileage, I mean it doesn't have very many miles per gallon. Maybe it has a lot of miles per gallon, I don't know. All I know is I only have 86 liters of gas, which isn't normally a fun thing to know. Sometimes you gotta let off the throttle for a few seconds, because if you just hold the throttle, sometimes it will just dig you deeper. And if you give it a few seconds to let all the mud seep off your wheels and stuff, I don't know why, but it works in my brain. I don't know how to explain it though. All I know is if you let it sit for a minute and kind of just do small pulses of tapping the, like, feathering the wheel, kind of, it'll get you a little bit further probably. Did I just hear somebody in the background say woohoo? What was that? If that was an owl, that was like kind of like one of the worst impressions of an owl. Or no, to drive over a flipping tree bird. There, I was able to get over the ledges, totally. Man, this thing does not pull very well. Okay, well, this truck definitely failed, but dude, okay, this mod sucks. Oh my god, there's never been a truck that did this poorly.
What?
Get out of here. I don't even know if I can get this one to the end. This truck's so bad, I don't even think I can get to the end. I was thinking, oh, this would be a great truck for that American Truck Night videos I've been doing. But dang, does it suck. You'd think the front wheels, as soon as they caught the ledge, they'd pull themselves up like it's nothing. But no, they're just like, you know what? We're gonna act like there's still place. We're just immediately giving up on life. Like, bruh, this truck sucks. It has a snorkel. The water didn't go anywhere near this snorkel. How am I taking water damage? This truck sucks. I think this mod is like from 2019 though, so. And that's no excuse though for how bad it's doing. Jeez. It is made for MudRunner. It should be able to do a simple American Truck Night video. Its suspension sucks too. Look at that suspension, man. It's so stiff. Oof. Why is my guy's head down like that? Like what happens when he... what happens when you're so far underwater? Apparently, this truck cannot... Even the trucks that aren't mods could do better than this thing. Also, I don't know why I took so much damage randomly when I jumped into the water. I mean, this thing does... I've never seen a vehicle do this good at the rock climbing, but still doesn't make up for how bad it did during the flipping ledges. Oh, I just had to say something, didn't I? Oh, wait. Well, when it comes to rock climbing, this thing is a beast. It can get traction, but when it comes to anything else, this thing sucks. I mean, it does decently well at pulling itself through mud and water, but... If I put it in the climbing mode, does it do better then? It doesn't. In fact, it's pretty much in climbing mode right now. Wow, why is this wall... This wall doesn't seem that steep to other trucks. This truck sucks. It might literally not make it past this part of the challenge. I've never had a truck that literally can't get past a part in the challenge. This is like the worst truck in the game. And it's a mod. Like the snorkel doesn't even work. Oh my god, just go over the tree at this point. I mean, the tree's holding it up, but still, this thing can't even go up the flipping... It can't even go up the grass. This thing, oh my god, this thing sucks. What is this, supposed to be a flipping real-life Toyota or whatever? Or a Tesla? I mean, Teslas are technically American, but they don't feel American because they're electric. The only thing this thing has going for it so far is the fact that it's all-wheel drive. It's also really, it's got great handling. The guy did the challenge amazingly. Bruh. But struggling with a puddle of water. If that doesn't tell you this thing sucks, then what will? Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Well, this thing failed to be an American truck. In fact, it failed everything. It didn't even do good in one challenge. Not one challenge. The only thing this thing has good going for right now is the looks. I don't even want to turn the engine off for that thing, that's how bad it sucked. I already know you guys are seeing this thing's name on the side of the screen. So I've got to do this next. Otherwise some people are going to be mad that I didn't do this next. Jeez. It's got horsepower. But the thing is with that driver there, yeah. That wasn't a very good thing to add. The driver gives you so much. Yeah. Good thing I don't normally drive in first person when it comes to this. Every assisting is also really overpowered, so this is another really overpowered thing. You want to see something funny? This thing's got power. Let me turn this thing around so I can do that one more time so you guys can see the 0 to 60. I mean, it doesn't tell you the 0 to 60. Look at that. Nothing on planet Earth can go that fast in real life. Okay, let's see the suspension. Jesus! Oh my god, man. I guess I'm airplane in this thing. Gee, this thing is dominating in this challenge. These challenges, bro. Oh, because it's so lifted, bro. Oh, wait a minute. Can it pull itself over? I'm sure with enough. There it is. With enough speed, it could. You already know I've got to do it. Yeah, I kind of knew something like that was going to happen. Put myself back to my feet and whoa. Don't face plant, please, thank you. It's useless pulling those cars because the only truck that will fail at that is the first truck of this video will fail at that, I guess. He will fail at anything, to be honest. Come on! Oh my god, I was able to basically jump the entire pit. Jump half the rocks. This thing will pull through anything, jeez. Yeah, this is definitely Dominic Kratos. Charger. Jesus, 400 damage, oh my god. I think this has like a police car chassis or something. Man, who said I need to use those? Man, who said I need to use those? I can use this and just do this. Okay, that didn't work as well as I thought it was gonna. What happened to the intakes are supposed to do that even if you hit them on something. Well, bounce over. I mean, it bounced over like I wanted it to, but for some reason it took a lot of damage. Yeah, that's. Oh, my friend Zerbinator's playing Phasmo. I have a video of us playing together, but nobody wants to see 3 hours of me playing with strangers. Dude, I love this thing. I might actually use this more. I've never used this thing before, so that was my first time using it. Okay, the last one was a failure. This thing better be good. Oh my god. This is how fast this thing goes with the flippin' parking brake? Excuse me, what? This thing is a beast already. Okay. Only 80 liters, so. Come on, we need to go as fast as possible. And when I say fast as possible, I mean like 1 mile an hour, I guess. Why does it go faster when going up and down hills? Like, sure, going down a hill would be fast. Make the truck go faster, but going up it? What? Okay, let's see if this thing can make a few challenges at least. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Boink. Boink. Come on, yeah, get those front wheels on. Oh no. This thing had so much potential. Come on. I'm jackknifing myself real bad. I need to real quickly do this. When it comes to things in games like this, like American Truck Simulator, I'm like, Gray still plays, bro. I will not give up until I get through this challenge. But I mean, I could easily cheat the challenge if I want to, like Gray would if he ever got the chance to, but that's not how professionals do it. I'm joking, that is how professionals do it. Who do you think Gray still plays is? The professional. Except for I'm not professional, I'm a legend. Take easy way out. Okay, maybe it does if it means I can actually use this truck. Man, I want to use this truck so bad. This trailer is making it impossible for me to turn in this thing, by the way. You know what? Let's give it one more chance by shooting at the side or completely missing. Alright, let me... Dude, can I not? Can my front wheel not be stuck on that, please? Thank you. I want to try that path, because I think if I can get my front and back wheels on that little ledge right there, which I should be able to, because that dirt right there is basically a ramp, and this is just basically nothing to me. Ah, it's too high up. Can this trailer not be the easiest trailer on planet Earth to jackknife, please? Yeah, this thing is not making it past the first. I've spent so long getting this thing through the first challenge. This video might be short. Bruh. I know this truck isn't that bad. I mean, I've never used it before, but I can tell by the way it looks and handles, it's not that bad. This challenge is just way too overpowered. The first challenge, I'm not going to count for any of these trucks that are actually decently realistic. I mean, if the truck is like really overpowered or something, obviously I'm going to count it, because why wouldn't I? But if it's like a truck like this, where it's like, you know, a normal truck you'd have in real life, I'm not going to count it. Because that ledge is like 3 foot off the ground. No car in real life would be able to make it over that, besides like, okay, maybe there's like 2 or 3 cars that could do it in real life. But still, doesn't excuse the fact that it's like 4 foot tall, flipping stone. If this truck can make it through every other challenge perfectly fine, I'll count it. I'm counting it. It's gone through every challenge decently fine, unlike the other truck who was only able to do 1 challenge fine. Yeah, but I'm only gonna be able to do 4 cars this episode because of these first 2 cars taking forever. Jeez, the recoil. Is there any legends here who watched Dang Matt Smith who remembers when he used to actually post good videos? Now it's literally, he posts the same thing every other day. He used to always post such good videos. I miss back in like 2020, 2021 when he posted decent videos. Really, it was before then when he actually posted decent videos. Every YouTuber used to post good videos anytime before 2020. As soon as they hit 2020, this world has been gone. Like, at this point, nobody's that good. What am I stuck on? There is something there that is blocking me. Whoa, that is a huge drop off there. Brett, stop damaging my truck. Pull yourself out. Oh snap. And this is where the Mad Max died along a few videos ago. Mostly because its trailer can't do nothing. The trailer's still attached somehow. How the fuck? Dude, this thing is struggling. I mean, it can make it eventually, but jeez, bruh. Come on, if I can just get a small tug. Thank you. I meant to turn. Thank you. Trailer. If it wasn't for the trailer, this thing could do it. So this thing gets to have a little bit of a cheat code on this challenge because of its trailer, which is for some reason undetachable. If anything, the trailer might be more sturdy than the truck. But at this point, I'm going around that hill because I know I can't get over that hill with this flipping trailer. Now these two hills I might be able to. Thank you. Okay, this thing had great rock climbing abilities. I don't know why it's struggling all of a sudden. Come on, man. No. Okay. This challenge is clearly not meant for, like, realistic trucks. This challenge is where you can only take mods. The only thing that can make it through any of these challenges is mods. However, like always, I need to at least get the truck to the top. What the flip is going on here? Why is the trailer so heavy? Oh my god, bro. The trailer is so flipping heavy. The trailer weighs more than the truck, I'm not even joking. Literally, the only reason I can't get through any of this is because of the trailer. So I'm gonna say this truck's actually a winner. I have one truck after this one. I don't know why, but I thought this was the second truck. Dude, they put the planes too far apart. This truck can't fit on any of these. In the real life show, they adjusted so your truck could fit on it. Oh my god, I'm just driving through the mud at this point. This trailer! Oh my god, bro. You can't even cheat it because this stupid trailer is so stupid. I don't know who the devs are who made this trailer, but they made it so you can't even hardly turn with the trailer on. They also made this thing have a turning radius of a flipping yacht. Yeah, if I didn't, I'm counting it as a winner because if it wasn't for the trailer, I would have made it. And I'm not counting the planks in the first challenge because those two are just unfair. The first challenge is not meant for a normal truck, and the planks don't fit half the trucks in this game. Oh, this view, I've spent like 10, maybe 15 minutes just trying to get this truck through the challenges, bro. I'm not even gonna try the log challenge, bro. We all already know that. Especially with the trailer, this thing ain't making it through the log challenge. Alone, okay, maybe there's a small chance. But with the trailer, forget it. I can't stand just having trucks laying dead around on the track, so I'm obviously gonna get this thing finished and get it to the end. Dude, this thing struggles. This thing was so much faster and more powerful before I put the trailer on. Yeah, that trailer, whoever the devs are need to fix the trailer. I mean, this thing was made back in like 2019, maybe 2018, but jeez, bro. Fix the trailer, it shouldn't weigh so flippin' much. Say this one will actually get me something besides nothing. I'm assuming you can literally just throw everything on here. I was right. Bro, I love the depth of this thing. This thing looks amazing. Bro, if this thing can't make it, I'm gonna kind of be mad. Because with this thing looking the way it does, I kind of have high expectations for it. Come on, man. This is gonna be like the last truck of the video because of how long it is. This is probably gonna be like the first truck that I have a trailer on that might actually be able to make it. Okay, this thing seems like it might be a bit overpowered, so I guess I'll count this first challenge. Doesn't count if the trailer gets hung up though. If the trailer slows me down in any way, shape, or form, it does not count. Especially if it does as much damage to me as it did in the last truck. In the last truck, that trailer was just Jesus, man. Like, whoa! My guy, you're crushing the quad! Stop crushing the quad! Jeez! You're trying to blow up my quad. My quad! Not far quad. It's my quad, not far quad. Actually, technically, my name's Troy Evening, so technically, instead of, if you were to say my name, you'd be saying, it's far as quad. Which some people would probably be like, oh, far quad, I know who that is. Instead of being like, oh yeah, it's far as quad. Because nobody knows who I am. This thing demos. Trailer's slowing me down just a bit. Whoa, where am I going? I can't see nothing. Wow. Everything, I like these devs. They made it so everything can move just a little bit. Like if you touch something, it can get torn off. So like if you are rubbing your bumper against something, the bumper actually like will move a little bit, and then if you pull too hard, it will get torn off. Oh boy. Wow, this thing just demoed all those challenges. please, trailer, work with me, man. Okay, I can understand if you're not wanting to work with me. Oh my god. Yeah, once again, this one does not work properly, so I'm not counting it. Sorry, for a second I thought the trailer detached. We're just gonna go around it. Bruh. Oh. There's so many add-ons that actually do something besides just looks that you can barely see your repair menu. Come on, man, don't get stuck up there. Thank you. Yeah, if they'd make these lengths the proper width, that'd be nice. And it'd also be nice if they gave you 2 inches in between the hill and the flipping plank so you could actually line your trailer up the right way. I get it's American Truck Night. You're not supposed to have a flipping trailer of all things, but still. What if I want to bring my yacht and my quad with me? They're like, what the flip do you mean? This isn't vacation. This is a challenge with your truck. Why would you bring a flipping yacht and a quad with you? Oh no. 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 Not like this. What is the trailer doing? It's the trailer that's got me hitched up right now. What the flip was the trailer stuck on? I seen you being stuck on something back there. Yeah, with the trailer, this thing can't do the logs. I mean, without the trailer, this thing would demolish the logs. But like I said, for anything that is a problem because of the trailer, it does not count. Some people are probably going to get mad at me for it, but still. Bro, Patriot, this thing is no Patriot. Sorry, man, but wow, this thing's got some lights. You did not make the challenge. However, it is not your fault because you had a... Oh, it is your fault. You had the thing that had the trailer that was messing up. So it is your fault for just being a garbage thing. But what am I saying? It's not your fault. It's the dev's fault for making you so bad. Because in real life, you'd do so much better at half these challenges. Smirone 9. That sounds like a rapper's name. Ever heard of the word Tech9? Alright, well, I'm getting this video here. Maybe I'll post another video this afternoon, but this video's already getting kind of long. And, well, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.